Welcome to Streaming Deluxe. My name is Mr. Orange, and today we talk about again Activision Blizzard, the stock, my friends. As you can see here, so this is the latest. Those are the latest numbers. Today the earnings came out for the third quarter in 2019. And we were trading at minus 3.21% at the closing, and since then in after hours, so now we are like 1 hour and 20 minutes into after hours, the stock is falling up to 2.77%. So it's actually a pretty bad day, I would say, for Activision Blizzard. So overall this is like 6% down. And what is the reason for this? We will see and we will check out now immediately. But before I continue, I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is not for you to buy or sell anything. It's just for entertainment and information purpose only. And yes, I'm a stockholder of Activision Blizzard. Alright, my friend, so that's here. I'm putting you those links also in the description under this video. So those are the that's the communique, that's the so-called press release of Activision. And let's check out here the first sentence. So our third quarter results exceeded our prior outlook for both revenue and earnings per share, said Bobby Kotick, Chief Executive Officer of Activision Blizzard. Recent launches have enabled significant growth in the size of our audience for our Call of Duty and World of Warcraft franchises. As we introduce mobile and free-to-play games based on our franchises, we believe we can increase audience size, engagement and monetization across our wholly owned franchises. With a strong content pipeline and momentum in mobile, esports and advertising, we are confident we will remain a leader in connecting and engaging the world through epic entertainment. And then we have here the metrics. So yeah, check out those metrics. So overall you can see that this was the prior outlook, and now they were beating the outlook by $1.282. The prior outlook was 1.105, and in 2018 we had the net revenues, the GAAP net revenues, better said, of 1.512. Yes, so what is important? I would say what is very important when it comes to Activision Blizzard, and this is then also the reason why in the end the stock was dropping. So though they were actually beating the outlook, but it's what is important that you can find here in the Market Watch article, or sorry, not the Market Watch that you find here, and this is the so-called MAU, so the monthly active users. So this is a very important metric to understand a gaming company. And you can see here in this chart what actually happened. So this is the monthly active users from the third quarter in 2017. We were at 384 million, and then we were already dropping to 345 1 year later, and and unfortunately we were now dropping to 327 million active users. So Activision Blizzard monthly active users, also known as MAU, is the number of unique visitors to a website or online game per month. It's a key metric for video game companies because it not only reflects the company's popularity, but it also is linked with earnings potential. Activision Blizzard games generate revenue not only from the cost of purchasing or playing a game, very important, but also through additional sales of in-game content. So loot boxes, microtransactions, you know what I'm talking about. In-game purchases are items that the player can buy to improve a character or enhance the video game experience, according to the website Techopedia. That's funny. Indeed, Activision has been able to generate billions of dollars in annual revenue through in-game purchases without the help of a single new game release in the past. So this is actually pretty amazing. In order for the company to continue to generate substantial revenue from this area, however, it must attract a consistent and growing user base. This has proven to be difficult for Activision Blizzard in recent months and years. The monthly active users fell from Q3 to Q3 2017 to 2018, etc. That's what I said. And then the story with Hong Kong. Okay, good to know. So what is maybe interesting here in the press release? Here they write selected business highlights. So Activision Blizzard exceeded its third quarter outlook, driven by better than expected performance for Call of Duty in-game and World of Warcraft, as well as favorable cost timing. The company started the fourth quarter with successful launches for Call of Duty Mobile and Call of Duty Modern Warfare, which are personally, I think, incredible good games, and achieved important milestones for several other franchises. Activision Blizzard is intent on building on this momentum as the company invests in the fourth quarter to maximize the potential of its franchises in 2020 and beyond. Yes, that's good, maximizing the franchises that you already have, but also I would say it's also maybe interesting to bring some new games out there. But let's put this aside. So if we check, for example, now Activision, then we had Activision had 36 million monthly active users in the third quarter, which is not too bad. Then we had on the 1st October, we had the launch of Call of Duty Mobile, and this saw over 100 million downloads in the first month, reaching the top of the mobile app download charts in over 150 countries and regions, with a 4.9 star rating in the US iOS store. That's pretty amazing, my friends, that's pretty amazing. And then now on Call of Duty Modern Warfare, launched and became the top-selling new premium game release of the year. In its first week, sell-through units grew a high teen percentage. So that's a high teen percentage is 16, 17, 18, 19. Versus Call of Duty Black Ops 4 with strong console growth and PC units on Battle.net reaching new highs. And then we have Blizzard. So Blizzard had 33 million monthly active users, so those are less actually than Activision. And here's some information about the Overwatch League, etc. and World of Warcraft Classic. And then we have the BlizzCon on November the 1st. Then you heard about Hearthstone Descent of Dragons, World of Warcraft Shadowlands expansion, Overwatch 2 and Diablo 4. And then we also have King, so they make mobile games. They have 247 monthly active users. That's actually pretty amazing. Oh my god. So Candy Crush Friends, Saga, Candy Crush, etc. So they actually make a lot of money with Candy Crush, which is pretty cool. Not the game. Oh, I don't care about it. I don't play it. Yeah, so that's a conference call if you're interested. 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it should actually happening. Oh, it happened already. So you see, also since I started this video 9 minutes ago, it already changed a little bit. So it's what can we take from this? So overall, Activision is on a strong path, and on general on a strong path. But on the other hand, they definitely have a problem with the monthly active users. So they need some new games that really push the company forward. Maybe some new World of Warcraft, not only a DLC expansion, so they could really raise again the monthly active users and the in-game purchases. Find some new ways to better sell in-game items, having microtransactions or DLC downloads. And I like it that they consider to bring more free maps in the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and you don't have to buy, for example, a DLC that no one is playing. I would also say that crossplay is a huge advantage for Activision in the future, for Call of Duty in general. Then of course, I guess the new World of Warcraft will also pull some more people into gaming again. But I would say I stay bullish if I look here at the chart. So for me, this 6-month chart looks overall very bullish. It's a nice upward trend, so I don't think that the upward trend has been broken. Of course, I'm not so happy about the performance today, but I expect actually, so overall, that we might continue going in the direction of like $63 or $67 or even $70 or even $80. So who knows? So I don't think this is excluded by any way. And yeah, so I hope if you are holding Activision Blizzard, I hope you all the best. And if you consider buying it, so go check out some analysis, go check out here on Yahoo Finance, the numbers, the financials, read a lot about it, and then it's maybe a good investment for you. I don't know, so you have to decide for yourself, my friends. I can't do this for you. Alright, so video is over, I'm leaving it here. See you the next time, bye bye.